What's up, guys? We back with another video. Today we're going to be working on a Dodge Ram. I believe it's a 2500 diesel. We're going to be doing a panoramic on. It's going to be my first Dodge Ram I'll be doing a panoramic on. We're going to be doing a blacking out. So from the dash up, pillars, headliner, visors, the plastics, the handles, all that we're going to be blacking out. So let's check it out. Here's the truck. Just dropped it off. And yeah, it is a 2500. Nice truck. Here's a little overlook on what it looks like. The typical, you know, lighter color on top, darker color on the bottom. We're gonna be blacking out his pillars, visors, these center pillars here, the back, the rear pillars, the little hooks. And actually this one doesn't have no handles on the headliner besides those ones, and then the back. Be blacking it out. His interior is black door panels. He's got gray seats, but if we do black it out, it's gonna blend in with the OEM pillars, so everything will be blacked out. It's gonna look good. Panoramic. We're gonna start by taking off all the interior pieces. We'll clean up the truck a little. Got a lot of stuff laying around here. We'll clean everything up, put everything in the back. Gives us space. We'll start taking off all the clips, lights, visors, everything. All right, guys, stay tuned. It's gonna be a good one. All right, guys, this is where we're at now. Headliner's out, plastics are out. Here's what it's looking like. We still do gotta remove these ones, but I'll remove those at the very end. We did take the seat out just to make it a little easier on the headliner removal. That's what it's looking like. Now I'm gonna get my measurement. I'm gonna bring my bracket, panoramic bracket, set it up on top, get my measurements, center everything out, see where I'm gonna place the bracket, trace it, and then I'll go ahead and cut it out. All right, guys, here's what it's looking like right now. And then once I cut it out, I'll clean it up, weld the bracket in, and then I'll clean the interior up a little bit with the vacuum. All right, guys, roof is cut off, ready for my bracket. Let's check it out. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna trim these little brackets enough to where my bracket fits. We're not gonna cut them all because it helps for support also. All this right here helps for support. We're just gonna trim back whatever we need for our bracket. We're gonna go ahead and tack our bracket in, and then tack it all the way in to where it's 100% welded, tack welded. And then I'll go ahead and hang the panoramic, so that way I don't leave it with a big opening overnight. All right, guys, we got the body work done on the Ram. I did a coat of primer on top, letting it dry. Still a little tacky, but we're not gonna be able to paint the roof on this video. We're having some issues finding this exact color match paint. As you can see, it's got a multicolor metallic in it, so we'll end up doing another video on that. For now, we just want to get it all prepped up, ready to go for the panoramic install. It's looking good. All right, I'll get the panoramic installed, bolt it on, run the drains, power it up, and then we're done with the top for now. And then we'll start the interior, start getting everything put back together. All right, guys, we got the panoramic in, wired up, 4 drains installed. There she is. We got all the drains on all corners. You can see here. That way, if it does get any water, like just from the dealership, OEM, it'll run down these drain pipes and then out the vehicle. So this is what we're looking at right now. We're gonna install the Headliner, I do have the button here, which I still got a color match black. See what that focuses. You got your tilt, slide, and then your electric sunshade. Does have an electric sunshade right here, which is nice. So whenever you don't want sunlight beaming through, just hit it once, closes automatically to here. Hit it one more time, closes all the way. Same thing when you open it, hit it once, it opens up to here, because this is the one that opens up and slides back. Hit it again, open up all the way. Or if it's closed, go in, you just hit your open slide button for your sunroof, and it'll automatically open up the shade with it. All right, we're gonna start installing the headliner, so that way I can cut it to a perfect fit around the trim of the Panoramic, and then we'll pull it out, make sure it is 100% good. We'll pull it out and then wrap it in some black fabric, install it, and then we'll go ahead and start painting our plastics. That's what's we'll work on after we get the headliner done. All right guys, I'll kick you back on when I get the headliner cut out. All right guys, headliner is wrapped. It's wrapped, it's ready to go. I did a little slit in here so that way I can maneuver it inside, and then I can cut the access fabric. That way I can go ahead and tuck it underneath the bracket of the Panoramic. So here we are, this is what it's looking like. Came out good, black. Let's install it. All right guys, Panoramic is done. It's 100% besides the painting of the roof. We're gonna end up doing that later just because he has a dent here and he wants me to fix that. So Panoramic's done. Let's check it out.
Perfect.
All right guys, that's gonna be it for the Dodge Ram. Came out clean. Just subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Keep track, we got a lot more panoramics we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing some on a 20, I believe a 20 or 21 Silverado crew cab. We got a Tacoma, Toyota Tacoma or a Tundra, I'm not too sure. That guy is coming out of Louisiana. I got my first furthest out of towner from Louisiana. He's coming in for a Panoramic. I got a crew cab from, I believe, either Oklahoma. I believe it's from Oklahoma. I got a lot of Panoramic installs coming. I got all my Panoramics sitting here. They're pretty much all sold. Like I said, I'm just waiting for the appointment date to show up and install them. So stay tuned guys, like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys liked the Dodge Ram. Came out clean. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.